Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Alan's Day. Today, it is a warm, somewhat warm day. It's the day after Christmas, and the snow's all melting. I think we can handle that. So we're not going to need the skid steer for a while. Leave the John Deere sit there. When we get some snow, that big beast can do some moving. Got the motorhome sitting there, waiting for the next camping trip. But what's waiting for me is some work in the garage. Haven't got too many projects going on there this winter, but let's get started on one. We got horses over there. They're just finishing up their breakfast, and we'll get started on our project here. Get some lights turned on here. Oh, we don't need a heater. Get some lights. I'll get the fire stoked. I stoke that every night, every morning, every afternoon to keep the cats warm. You'll see that we got 5 kittens now, so I'll show you those. Well, it looks like you're going to see one sooner because we got a kitten right here. He sleeps in his chair here. We got a little electric thing here I turn on for him once in a while, just to warm him up. So, the project we got going on this winter, you see we don't have any big project in the big garage, but what we've got going on here is loading a trailer up for the last 6 weeks. You wouldn't think it'd take that long to load up a trailer, but this is all supplies and parts going for the our Tennessee holiday home build that you've seen quite a few videos on that. And you can see I got that thing loaded up for the next trip. And I got a list of things, and you're going to see me do that in a very short time. We got wall panels, we got a sink, insulation. Doing all the work on all the trim, making up some shelving. So that's what I've been doing for a while here. So that's why no big projects. But the project we do have going on, and this is sort of a Christmas present for Jean. What she's got going on here is she's got her Gator. It's a challenge for her to get that door opened and closed. So, we got a garage door opener in here. We'll get this thing unboxed and we'll see what this thing looks like. I have no idea how to install this. I've never put one up like this before, so we are going to learn together. And we can look on the internet if we need to find something else. But it should be pretty straightforward. Here we go. Well, looks like we got 2 garage door openers in there. Let me do some more checking. But garage door is going to get mounted onto that shaft up top there. When I put these doors in several years back, I made sure I left the shafts long on both sides, so I had an option to put a garage door in there. So anytime you're putting garage doors up, think a couple years down the road. So let me get one of these pulled out, and we'll see what we got. Well, I need to do a little bit of investigating. It looks like I've got 4 individual garage door openers. I don't know. I thought I only ordered 2 or 3. I know we didn't order 4 of them. I'll have to do some checking on there and see what they charged me for on there. This is the garage door opener. It's an Amazon deal. They're 650 bucks a piece. Ponied up a little bit. Got the little more expensive ones. They can get some real inexpensive ones on Amazon. So hopefully these are going to go together pretty easy. And we got some cat action out here. We got Yeller and Taz. So I better get to work here. Well, on this Liftmaster 980-22, open the box up, and there's a whole lot of parts in here. That must be the controller, an opener, a couple of more parts here. That must be an emergency rope. Not sure the wiring. So it looks like I got a few parts to put together here. This must be the plug to plug it in. Supposedly, oh, and there's a battery backup on here. So let me get this thing all pulled apart, and we'll start getting a game plan put together. So far it's going pretty smooth. They got lots of pictures. And I got the controller up there. I think that was the easiest step of the process here. I had to make a new bracket here. This little one that they had wasn't quite long enough. So they come with a collar. You just simply put the collar in there, put the bracket on there. Now let me start on the wiring. I got to get power up to there, so I got to come off of that outlet, come up here, put a outlet right here, and then one on that side. I'll bring you back when I got more wiring done. Still going good on this garage door opener. Pretty straightforward. Made a little mount, put the controller there, ran my wires. I still got to tuck them in, and to get the cover open on here, it's just simply this cover lifts up like this, and it's got a little stop to hold it. So far I'm impressed with the way they got this set up. Now there's the battery backup right here. Pop the cover off and it goes in this hole. Don't forget to put your dielectric grease on your fittings. So let me get the battery in the hole, and then these are the connectors, and they got it pretty straightforward and color coded on the directions. So I need the red and the white. Get hooked up to the controller, and we're getting closer. So bring you back when we got maybe we got a door working. Garage door opener is up, and Jean is happy. So Merry Christmas, Jean. She's already got her car backed in here. That's been a long time coming. About 25 years I've been telling her I'm going to get her a garage with an opener. Better late than never. So car's in here. Just a brief overview of this Liftmaster 98022. We've got the automatic, or the sensor eyes, the one there with the green light, and we got the one with the amber light. Just remember, there's one with a longer wire that has to reach all the way over to here. Just put those in there, put a little something on here, because I think those things are going to be pretty easy to bump. According to the book, these are supposed to be down a whole lot lower onto the ground. I opted to put them up a little bit higher. So read the book. Don't do what I do. Control panel. This thing is pretty slick. It has got the temperature and the time in there, and it's got a light button on there. Push that button, and you got a light that comes on there. LED. That light also comes on when you push the up button or the down button. That way Jean's gonna have a little light getting into the car here. So I put the lock up on the top there. Don't know if that's a good move or not, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. Don't know why you need it anyways, because that door doesn't open up once it's turned off. And got the controller up there. You saw I made that fancy little bracket on there because the little one wasn't good. What slowed me down a little bit is I had to put some electrical conduit in here. So I just came off of this box here, ran up, ran an outlet that way, ran one that way, because I got one more garage door opener that I'll start putting on today here. So thanks for sticking around, and we'll catch you on the next one. Probably going to be down in Tennessee unloading that trailer and going through a list of stuff. Push the button. Oh, that thing works slick. Overall, highly recommend that Liftmaster. I think they've got everything figured out in there, how this goes together. So far, I haven't got anything to complain about. What a surprise. Outside, we got rain, and we got a blizzard coming. So, once again, talk to you guys later. Bonus footage. We got half yeller right here. We got the heating blanket on, and he's just loving life. Now we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching Alan's Day. Life is about making choices. Some things are already perfect. Some things you may choose to upgrade. This channel will show you both. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again.